Yeah, stock ass cold start. Shut up. Yo, I should have started it like a few minutes ago. This dumb bitch that just pulled off. Bro, almost fucking, like, bro, there's no reason you need to come close as shit to my fucking car to go there, bro. Yo, welcome to the channel, bro. Bro, like, that's why I hate non-car people, bro. But, welcome to the channel. Hold on, let me make sure, just in case, don't copyright me, Saya. Bro, am I wrong if I put, like, because my friend told me this, but he has, like, boards with nails. He put boards and he has, like, nails in it. And like he puts the part without nails under his tires and then the part with nails on the outside on both his things, because he hates that shit too, where people drive. Bro, that car was literally this close, bro. He drove off the car that you saw that drove off, bro, and then they be U-turning close as shit to my fucking car, bro. Yeah, but on my way to the car meet, bro. But welcome to the channel. Anything y'all want me to talk about, feel free to comment it down below. Sorry if it started off negative, but bro, as you saw, dude, like I hate that shit. Like, why you have to come so fucking close to my car? Like, what if you lose control, you're not paying attention, you hit my shit? Welcome to the channel. Comment down below if any of what I just said pissed you off too. Well, I'm talking about, look at this dumb fuck. You literally could have waited till I went past. This is why you use all mirrors. Like, go, you dumb fuck. Like, I hate when people do that shit. Cut in front of somebody to go slow. Like, use your fucking mirrors, you dumbass. Should've fucking brake like this bitch. The fuck you braking for? You cut me off. Instead of just waiting for me to pass you. You fucking idiot. Maryland people are so fucking stupid, like the DMV in general. Fucking dummy. Look, then this nigga going slow. Stop fucking braking. Like, and then how the fuck you gonna go slow when you the one who fucking cut me off? You fucking idiot. Fucking stupid ass motherfucker. And like, get the fuck over, nigga. Get the fuck over in your lane, bitch. This nigga ran the red light. Like, what? I hate when people do this shit. Like, you wanna fucking speed up, like, you fucking idiot. Stay in your fucking lane. Who the fuck you beeping at? Who the fuck you? This nigga beeping at, yeah. This nigga beeping at himself, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Tonight, sorry if it's wind, it's kind of hot. What is that? Oh, you got a little spunk, Fuck you, nigga. Man, y'all can get over it, fuck that. I'm not fucking hating people for that. What the fuck you doing, nigga? Fucking retard ass bitch. Sound like you got an exhaust on that shit. Can't hear it because it's fucking wind. Hey, nigga! What the fuck you doing? Why is he driving so slow? Fucking California. Do all California people drive like that, like slow like that? Oh yeah, how you doing? Yeah, talking so much. I'm out. I'm gonna listen to my music and shit.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the time sometimes you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.